Brandon here with BoogeyLights. Today we have a multicolor marine installation. This is a 1997 SeaRay Signature 210. It's a 21-foot bow rider and it has a grand total of 32 feet of Boogey lights. This is actually our Pontoon LED kit cut up into multiple pieces. Each strip has its own individual power lead, which is hardwired back to our controller module. For the starboard side here, you will see that we have a 7-foot strip underneath the right-hand side, and then also a 7-foot strip underneath that rear seating. For the port, we have a 7-foot strip underneath the bottom there, and then a 2.5-foot strip in this compartment. Gives it a nice glow, especially at night. As for the passenger side here, you will have a 2.5-foot strip up underneath there in the footwell. As for the driver's side, we couldn't just mount a 2.5. We did 2 of them on some angled aluminum. If you look in the side here, you'll get a nice look at the actual installation itself. Each one of those has its own individual power lead, which is run back to our heavy-duty controller module. I'll show you that here momentarily. Take a step up into the front here. You see we have a 2.5-foot strip in each one of these compartments. Gives it a nice glow, and you cannot see the LED strips themselves. They are mounted rather high up there, actually going directly to the fiberglass. Now each one of these strips has its own individual power lead, which is run back. We're going directly to the accessory battery in this installation. You'll follow some power leads here coming through. See right here, this wiring itself is run all the way along here, hidden up underneath. Down into our heavy-duty controller module, you will see that it also has a push-button switch on top of the module itself. So you'll see the green indicator light. That indicates that it does currently have 12 volts. It's all being run directly to the accessory battery. Now if you push this switch, completely turns off the system itself, killing direct power to it, so it will not drain down the accessory battery at all. All of this was done in-house here at BoogeyLights. See the green indicator light? It is controlled via handheld RF remote, as well as Bluetooth operation on your phone. Again, done in-house here at BoogeyLights in Florence, Kentucky. Give us a call and get lit up today.